Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss about yourself or about myself, and when anyone asks to him and to me, and you will answer and you will present for you. First time greeting, the hello, good day or good or morning or good afternoon or good evening, ladies and gentlemen, or good everyone. I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am very glad to be here in this beautiful platform. Now, I would like to say something about myself. Name My name is Sanwar Hussain, but you can call me Sanwar. Residence and hometown. At present, I'm living in Dhaka and I'm from Mymensingh. That's famous for paddy and fishing. Profession in details. I'm a last semester student of Bachelor of Science at the Bangladesh University of Textile, or I have completed the Bachelor of Science in Textile Engineering from Bangladesh University of Textile. And then experience. Beside my academic study, I have been working as a language trainer in different languages. Experience. So, এই পার্টে the greeting. First time we have started text, or we will start greeting, then name, then resident and hometown, and then profession in details, and then experience, and then skills. I'm good at speaking in English, operating computer, and using internet. I think I have the capacity of motivating the people. Skills. Then strength and weakness. I'm self-motivated. The strength. I'm self-motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person. Dream always keep me alive. I spend a lot of time with friends and elders. And then weakness. Thought it's time consuming, but it doesn't hamper in my productivity. Rather, I can learn many new things from them. Um, and then aim, local. I want to do social work in future. It's my long cherished goal. And then smart ending. No more today. That's all for the time being. Thanks all of you to listen to me with your patent. ধৈর্য সহকারে শোনার জন্য সকলকে ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাঙ্কস এভরিবডি।